Hi, my name is Steve Webb. I'm one of the application engineers here at Parker Lord. Today, I'd like to talk to you about changing over our new 302 adhesive applicator from a 1-to-1 mix ratio to a 2-to-1 mix ratio. In all cases, our Sign Lock products are a 2-to-1 mix ratio, so it requires we change things over. To start, I'm going to get our new 302 applicator. We're going to need a ratchet with a 1/2 inch socket, a 1/2 inch box and open end wrench, and a screwdriver with a Phillips tip. To change over the applicator, we're going to release the charging handle with the spring on the back, spring-loaded release, slide it back so that it gives me access to the pistons. I'm going to take my Phillips screwdriver and I'm going to unscrew the face of the piston and remove it completely. Now, we're going to go ahead and remove the rod and shift the rod over one space. That allows for the proper spacing for a 2-to-1 mix ratio cartridge. This time, I'm just going to go ahead and use my 1/2 inch box and open end wrench and remove the retaining nut on the back. Slide the rod forward, shift it out of position and slide it over one slot, and now reattach my 1/2 inch nut in the back. This time, I'm going to go ahead and use a box and open end wrench and my ratchet to tighten it down. Now we're going to go ahead and apply the 2-to-1 piston. The 2-to-1 piston is conveniently attached to the applicator. So I'm going to again use my Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2-to-1 piston head, and I'm going to screw it into the rod face. Once my 2-to-1 piston has been screwed down, ensure that both pistons are level with each other prior to using it. As well, this is where with the 2-to-1, we're going to slide our cartridge trays back a little bit, and we're going to use these two snap lock pieces, and they're used to properly seat the cartridge. So they now go on the inside of the cartridge. Put 2 of them on the same side, and the cartridge should now fit snugly into the applicator tray.